So alright guys, so in the last video we have added, we have seen that how to handle the failure login attempt. Okay. So and then I told you that I'm going to run the cron job in the next video. So in this video we are going to implement the cron operation or cron expression, whatever you say. So which gonna call a method internally implicitly without any action. Okay, so I'm going to set a time, so every of that particular time is going to execute that method. So that, and this method is going to unlock the user, which is I mean to say unlock the user whose log period already surfaced. Okay, so without further ado, let's start over here. So I'm going to create a class here inside a package called Cron, and then I'm going to name it let's say user account unlock, let's say job. Okay. I can also call it clone, so I'm going to keep it as this one. Okay. Now after that, just mark this one with a component, and then just not repository. It should be require constructor. Okay. So after that, I'm going to call up here one service, that is of course primary user service. No, this one. Okay, it is like this, then user service. Then I'm going to create a method here which is going to be public. Then let's say void, since it's not going to return anything, and unlock user account, and then simply okay. So I'm going to first take up first we'll get the user list whose time, I mean whose expiry time already over. Okay, I mean log period time already over. So for that I'm going to store it in a user. Let's say let me put the list also. Let's say lock user list service. Then I'm going to, let's say, get. So this method I didn't create in the service, so I'm going to create this one in the next after once I done with this one, this class. So let's say call it get expired not user. Okay, so let's first I'm going to create this one. This is already done. Now I'm going to implement this one. Let's contact Control O, then implement this one here. Now I'm going to implement the logic. Let's call the local time, current time. Okay. After that, just return user repository. Okay. get, let's say, find expire locked user, then find the current time. Okay, so I'm going to create this one into the user repository. Okay, now here I'm going to add a query. Let's say select view from view where view dot. Here I'm going to check is user account unlocked. What is the method name? Check one. Let me copy this one. Then go back to repository again. This should be false, and view dot log time should be less than or should be less than current time. Okay. Okay, so let me add one annotation here for annotations. After it is optional, it just you can ignore this one also, but better to mention. So I'm done with this query. So this query will check if account is locked and the lock time is already less than the current time. Then it going to fetch. Then it only those list it will return, and then use case. Okay, so I'm going to get then this method will find that query, then it will return the list of user. And let me go back to the cron job. So here I have the list of user whose account gets locked, and also time already surfaced. I mean log period already surfaced. So I'm going to iterate all the user account. With that I'm going to use for each user get lock user list, and then call the user service. We'll call the unlock method, then simply call the user. That's it. Okay, and I need to add an annotation here, which is schedule. Schedule. Okay, provided by. I will explain about this. Just give me a minute and let me define the time. Okay, then let's say star s2 star. What is over? Oh, I should define this inside a one attribute. That's why it's showing me an error. Okay, now let me explain all about this annotation. So so this annotation actually already error method must expect no argument. Okay, I'm not going into this. Okay, so this schedule annotation is actually used to define the scheduling configuration for a method. Okay, and it has one attribute there, which is cron. So it contains 6 digits, 6 or 7 digit. So very fast digit is for second. So in every 0 second is going to call the this method. So after that, so I define here star means every. The asterisk is mean here is mean by asterisk, okay, and then and so I define a star forward slash and 2, so which means every 2 minutes is going to call this method and is going to execute implicitly this method, okay. So and then the next one is for hours, and then define sorry, days, then day of the month, then week of the month, day of the week. So this is, so here's for simplicity. If you want to know more about schedule, then I would say just read out this library here. Each and everything they already mentioned. And for one more thing that I must say, uh, okay, let me repeat this one. The zero, the fast field, the fast field zero is represent. It's actually represent second, and I set it to zero, so indicating is, so it's indicating that the method will be executed at the start of every minute, okay. So in the second field represent minute, okay, and it's set to /0, and which means this method will be executed every 2 minutes, and the asterisk means here every, I mean, you can call it every, okay. The asterisk actually means every, and forward slash specify the interval. So the asterisk is mean here every, and for this slash actually mean by actually meant interval, and two means the value which every 2 minutes is going to execute this method. So this is it. So I'm going to run this project now. So I'm done with this one. Let's see why. Okay, to see the whether this method is executed or not, I'm going to write something here. Let's say I am inside Cron, so that we can monitor this method whether it's being executed or not after every 2 minutes. Okay, for that only I'm defining here. You can ignore this part. Okay, now let's run this one. I'm hoping there is no error. Oops. Still I have the, so entity user has log time. Let me check out this one. Maybe I have done something wrong in the repository. Let me check out here. It's okay. Log time, current time, okay. Let me that read here. Okay, log. Oh, the spelling mistake here. So I'm going to copy this one for now. Then repository and simply with the values. Now run the project again. Okay, my application is running on 8080 port. So let me go into the web browser. and let's call localhost 880. Localhost 880. So you're going to take me to the login page, I hope. What is the current shell that we have used? It was demo@jschool.com, and after that password was 1122. Login. If I log in, I can see these properties and values. Okay, let me log out. Let's log my account. One time. Let me copy this one. Two times. Okay, my gun is locked since I have exited the maximum number of tries. So now I'm going to monitor the. Let's call this one. I want to see whether my Cron operation are working, are actually performing, doing its job or not. So since in the project I have defined whenever a user will attempt three login attempts, made three failed login attempts. On that point, it's going to log the user for 5 minutes. So, and in this method, I define every 2 minutes it should perform that Cron operation to unlock the user. So let's see whether it's calling the data or not. So I'm going to now its time is 10 to 33. So I'm going to pause for now. After 5 minutes, I'm going to record the video again. Okay. So guys, I actually did one mistake. That is, I forgot to add one annotation in the service class. In the main application class, which is another scheduling. So I'm going to reduce the time to show you. It's already a lot of time already surpassed. So I'm going to reduce, check it. So I'm here mentioning every 5 seconds is going to execute this one. Okay. So let me rerun this project this application, and then see if it is being called by every 5 seconds or not. If we are then okay, then this is going to be our end of this project. And for those who are new to this video, please check out the other video to complete this project, and the GitHub link I will provide in the description of this I'll provide in the description of this video. Okay. So this is it. This is just want to show you. So see inside Cron operation. So every 5 seconds this method are being executed, and checking out whether any user who was locked and the specific time already surpassed. If yes, then it's going to perform one operation, that is unlock operation. So it automatically will unlock the user. So this is it. This is just a simple demo. So this is how we can implement the Cron job, which automatically unlock the user account. Okay. So all the best. So I'm done. Thank you for watching this video.